Let's make a birthday cake cheesecake because it's my birthday today. I made a cheesecake for my birthday last year, so I might just start making this a tradition. This one has a custard cream base, a white chocolate vanilla sprinkle cheesecake filling, topped with a creamy white chocolate ganache and more sprinkles. Basically a white chocolate and sprinkle lover's dream. It's sweet, creamy, and the texture is just amazing. It's super easy to make and there's no bacon involved, just a bit of microwaving to melt the butter and chocolate. Or you can always leave it out in the sun to melt, but there's no guarantee this will actually work in England right now. Refrigerate it overnight for best results, or at least 6 hours so it sets properly. For the white chocolate ganache, make sure you don't overheat it as it can burn and go lumpy. Pour it over the cheesecake, letting it drip down the edges slightly. Then top with sprinkles and refrigerate again for about an hour. Now don't forget the candle. I love the smell of candles. It reminds me of birthday parties and Christmas. Slice it up and that's it. Enjoy!